Are you working hard, but somehow still broke? You earn, you spend, and boom, your money's gone. Today, we'll break down exactly why this happens and how to finally break the cycle of being broke. Let's start with a hard truth. Being broke is rarely about how much you earn. It's about how you manage it. Many people live paycheck to paycheck, not because of low income, but because of lifestyle creep. The more you earn, the more you spend. New phone, better car, weekend getaways. There are three silent killers that keep people broke, and they're everywhere. 1. Impulse spending. Buying things you don't need because it feels good now. 2. Debt dependence credit cards, payday loans, buy now, pay later. Modern traps with pretty packaging. 3. No financial plan. Without a money roadmap, you're just guessing. And guess what? Most people guess wrong. So how do you stop being broke for good? Here's a 3-step system that actually works. Step 1. Track every dollar. You can't fix what you don't measure. Use an app or a notebook. Just write it down. Step 2. Build a simple budget. Start with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings or debt repayment. Step 3. Pay yourself. First, save before you spend. Automate a portion of every paycheck into savings or investments. One last thing. You have to shift your mindset. Wealth isn't about luck, it's about habits. Replace, I can't afford it. How can I afford it? I'm just bad with money. I'm learning to manage money better. Being broke isn't permanent unless you let it be. Start tracking, start budgeting, start thinking long term. Before you go, let's zoom in on one of the most powerful yet underrated tools in personal finance: financial awareness. It's not just about budgeting apps or spreadsheets. It's about being conscious of your money decisions before you make them. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Can I delay this purchase? What's the long-term cost of this small expense? That 4-pound coffee or $10 takeaway lunch might not feel like much. But over time, these daily habits create your financial reality. Let's look at another trick. Create a 24-hour rule for purchases. Want something that costs more than $50 or 40 pounds? Wait 24 hours before buying. If it still feels like a smart move, go ahead. If not, you just saved yourself from impulse spending. These small mindset shifts build financial discipline. And that's where real freedom starts. Here's another truth no one talks about. Most rich people aren't flashy. They're intentional. They drive regular cars, wear simple clothes, and live below their means. Because wealth isn't about showing off, and it's about options. The option to quit a job you hate. The option to travel, invest, or help your family when needed. And finally, here's the golden rule. Start where you are and stay consistent. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Maybe your goal is to save your first $1,000. Or finally pay off your credit card. Or start learning how investing works. Whatever it is, take that first step today. And if you stay with us here at 4min Money Lab, you'll never walk the journey alone. If this video helped shift your thinking, drop a light bulb in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because at 4min Money Lab, we turn financial confusion into clarity. 4 minutes at a time.